In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics using the integrations page. By the end, you'll have your account linked so your analytics data can start flowing securely and accurately. Before we begin, make sure you have two things ready, your Google Analytics ID and your Google Analytics secret value. These are provided in your analytics setup and are unique to your property. Keep them handy and treat the secret like a password. Don't share it and avoid storing it in plain text. Let's get started. First, head to the integrations area in your account. You'll usually find integrations in the main navigation or within your account settings. Once you're there, scroll down through the available services until you see Google Analytics listed among the options. This section groups all supported services, so take a moment to scan carefully if you have a long list. When you find Google Analytics, click on Setup. This opens the configuration window where you'll enter your credentials. In the field labeled Google Analytics ID, paste your ID exactly as provided. Depending on your analytics version, this may look like a code beginning with G or UA. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the ID and confirm that it corresponds to the correct property you intend to track. Using the wrong property ID will connect successfully but send data to the wrong place, so accuracy is important here. Next, enter your Google Analytics secret value in the designated field. This value is sensitive and case sensitive, so copy and paste it carefully to avoid typos. If you're typing it manually, double check every character. For security, ensure you're on a trusted device and that your clipboard isn't being logged by any third-party tools. After both fields are filled in, click on Save Settings. The system will validate what you've entered and store the configuration. If anything is off, like a missing character or an expired secret, you may see an error message prompting you to review your entries. Otherwise, you're all set. From this point, your integration is active and your platform can begin communicating with Google Analytics. It can take a little time for new data to appear in your reports, so don't worry if you don't see immediate changes. That's the entire process. Go to Integrations, scroll to Google Analytics, click Setup, enter your Google Analytics ID, add your secret value, and save your settings. Keep your credentials secure and you'll have a reliable, compliant connection that supports accurate tracking. Thanks for watching and great job getting your analytics.